Hello, Destile, everyone. So today here I'm teaching Tibetan words ne partu. So I will teach how to use it in the sentence. Okay. So ne means from, partu means to or until. Okay. So we will learn with the examples. So first one, ngala 추출 니반에 시바 partu zintaye. So that means I have class from 2 to 4 o'clock or from 2 to until 4 o'clock. Okay. And then another example, 콩라 추츠 구분에 ngapa partu leka yore. So he or she have work from 9 to 5. So this is a ne and part to use with the timing, okay, time. And then another one, Delhi ne dharamsala partu thak ringbu yore. So it's a very far from Delhi to Dharamsala. Okay, it's a showing the distance. Another example, 배윤의 딜리 파르도 찌쭈 랑코르낭라 용바인. So I came in the bus from Nepal to Delhi. Okay, so see, ne and partu is using with the time and also using with the distance from this place to this place. And then timing from this time to this time like this. Okay. Thank you, and then see you in next video.